Happy December, everybody. Thanks for joining me. My name is Heather. I'm here today to share with you what I got in my December Essential Rewards order, or my wellness box, what I call it. I get a box every month of products that I use all around the house. A lot of it is cleaning products, and then a few oils and supplements that my family uses. Okay, so let's get started. So I've mentioned here before on the channel that I use Thieves Cleaner. And Thieves is just an all-natural cleaner that kills 99.9% of germs. And in the Thieves line is actually laundry soap. And so this is the laundry detergent that I use for all of our clothes. It's super concentrated, so you don't need very much, and it lasts for a long time. So it was time to reorder. So I got the laundry soap, and I order this probably once every other month. I actually divide this up after I get the big bottle. I divide it up into 3 other bottles with the detergent and then a little bit of water, and it really makes it last for a long time. Next in the Thieves line, I got these Thieves Wipes. I like keeping a box of these in my car or in my purse, and all they are these kind of pre-infused wipes with Thieves on them. So they're great to use for shopping carts, to wipe off basically anything, especially if you have kids. It's great to wipe off toys and just anything they might come into contact with. So I actually bought a couple of these. I was running low. I just like to have them kind of around the house, and like I said, in the car and in my purse. And then I bought, some of their Mineral sunscreen, and this is SPF 50. And the reason I got sunscreen, I know it might kind of sound weird in the winter, is the kids and I are going to start skiing now that we live here in Utah. And believe it or not, you can easily get sunburned when you're out skiing because the sun reflects off the snow. So I need to make sure that we have this on our faces so we don't get sunburned while we're out there on the mountains. All right, next I bought a few gift things. I know I bought a few gift things in November, but I got a few more. So I bought a couple bags of these Believe shower steamers. What you do is you can take them, you just take one of the steamers and you put it in your shower, and it just releases the smell. I love these, and these smell really good. So these are a great gift because they're wrapped individually. So I'm probably gonna give these to some teachers and neighbors, and probably keep a few for myself as well. Let's see, and then next up, another gift I'm gonna give. This came in a cute little tin. It's a variety of their lip balms or chapsticks. So in this you get you get grapefruit, which I love this one, cinnamon, lavender, and vanilla mint. That's my absolute favorite one. So this will be a nice gift to give to somebody. And again, it just comes in a super cute little tin, which I like. And then kind of along the same lines, I bought 2 of their Savvy Mineral lip glosses. And these are great. They're infused with peppermint, so they smell really good. And the peppermint's supposed to help kind of plump up your lips a little bit. In fact, I'm wearing this one right now, I believe. This one is Abundant. It's my favorite color because it's just a neutral color. It has a slight hint of pink in it. So I bought a couple of these to give as gifts. They're just kind of a nice stocking stuffer. All right, when it comes to the oils this month, one that I was super excited to get, and I actually got this one. This wasn't part of my Essential Rewards, but I wanted to share it. I got this one during, I believe it was Black Friday, but it's called Sacred Angel. And they make this during the holidays, and it just has a nice kind of sweet, uplifting smell. So I've been diffusing it around the house at night, and it's just been so nice and peaceful. So I was super excited to get that one. And then when you are a part of Essential Rewards and you spend a certain amount, Young Living will send you free oils and supplements. It just changes every month. And so another one that I was super excited to get and smell, and this was one that they sent me this month, is Egyptian Gold. So I had never smelled this one before, and I still haven't. I'm excited to open it, but it has a woodsy smell, so I think it'll be great for the holidays. You can actually, some of my friends put drops of this on their firewood when they light a fire, and it's great, again, in the diffuser. So excited about this one. And then another one I got for free this month is Myrrh, which is a great oil this time of year. And of course, Christmas spirit. I've been stocking up on Christmas spirit. I mean, this is pretty much going in my diffuser every single day during the holiday. So with Christmas spirit, I like it by itself. I also diffuse it with orange or pine or some of the wood oils. It makes it a really good blend. And then I ordered for myself some lemon myrtle. I love lemon myrtle to put on my wool dryer balls when I'm doing laundry. It just has a nice, fresh, light smell. So I'll put a couple drops on my wool dryer balls and then toss those in the dryer, and makes my clothes smell really nice. And then I got some Purification. This is just a great oil to have around the house. It helps get rid of smells that just won't seem to go away. So it's great when I'm cooking, and so I figured during the holidays it'd be nice to kind of have. And again, yeah, just great to have to get rid of those unwanted odors. Another thing I like to do with Purification is make a spray bottle. So I'll take about 20 drops of Purification and then mix it with a little witch hazel and distilled water, put it in a spray bottle, and then use that to spray like my couches and my sheets, but especially my couches because we have a dog. So it helps get rid of that kind of doggy smell instead of using Febreze. And then lemon, I ran out of lemon, and I love putting a drop of lemon in my water in the morning. I also use it to clean a lot. I mix it with my Thieves cleaner. And then sometimes when there are like sticky stickers or sticky things on the floor, lemon is great to get that sticky stuff off. And then let's see here, Peace and Calming. This was one of the free oils this month. Peace and Calming. It's funny because when I first smelled it, when I first started using oils, I wasn't crazy about it. It had kind of a funky smell to me, but the more I used it, the more I fell in love with it, and now it's actually one of my favorite oils. I pair this with orange a lot. I like to make rollers with this, and you know, if I'm just kind of feeling stressed or whatever, I'll just roll a little on my wrist or on the back of my neck. So this one I go through a lot, so I was excited to get this one for free this month. And then, of course, Thieves. We've been going through Thieves a lot as well. I've been making some Thieves gifts for my friends. So I ordered an extra bottle just to make sure I don't run out. And then also was sent this super cute ornament this month, and it comes with this little disc where I think you put your oils on here, and then you just drop it in there, and it'll just kind of give off a nice subtle smell. So I need to hang this on the tree. I'm excited about that. So that is what I got for the month of December. If you guys have any questions, as always, please feel free to leave questions in the comments, or you can visit me over on my Instagram at Heather Marie Home, where I share a lot of tips and tricks on how to use these oils and the cleaners and all that good stuff. So I'd love for you to come over there and say hi. So have a great December, everybody.